Hello students, welcome for the new academic year 2020-21. I am your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you maths. So let's begin with the first chapter. Student, in this chapter we are going to learn about angles, circles, geometrical figures, sides and vertices. Before we start the chapter, let me ask you a few questions. You all must have studies about geometrical shapes in 3rd standard, isn't it? So, name some geometrical shapes. Yes, triangle, square, circle, rectangle. Okay, very good. Now name some objects that are circular in a shapes. You know what do you mean by circular? Yes, round shape. So tell me some circular shapes. Yes, ball, bangles, sun, wheel. So you all know the shapes. So today we are going to learn about geometrical figures. In this slide, what you see, children? Yes, you see a small dot. That dot is called a point in mathematics. What is this, children? You can see here the two red dots, and the two dots are joining by the line. This is called line segment. These two red dots or points, it means full stop. You cannot extend the line. That is why this line is called line segment. Here, what you see, children? Both the sides, you see two arrows. What is the meaning of that arrow marks? You can extend the line from the both sides. So, this is called a line. Next is you can see the line. In this line, first side you can see a dot and the other side is arrow mark. What it means, children? It means you can only extend one side of the line, and this is called a ray. So children, our today's topic, angle, it is related to the ray. Now in this picture you can see two rays, ray 1 and ray 2. These two rays are meeting at the common end points. Can you see the end point? Yes, this end point is called vertex. So an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common point end. So remember the definition. An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. So after this, we will see the example of angles. Now students, in this picture, can you see the various angles? Yes. You see the red lines? Yes, the red lines are showing angles. So students, here you can see angles are formed between the branches of the tree. This is a picture of an electric pole. Here also you can see the red line. This is also showing an angle between electric pole and ground. In the third picture, what you see? So again, you see the angle. Here also the ladder makes an angle with the ground. So children, tell me, what is this picture about? Yes, this picture of a slide. Again there also you can see showing the angles between slide and ground. Now see what are the different types of angles. So there are three types of an angle: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. So we are going to learn about the angles. So first we are going to see right angle. Now what is the right angle? The angle that measures 90 degree is called a right angle. It should be in 90 degrees. This angle is an L shape. Now see children, this is the example of right angle. If you see the book, you can see the arrow marks. That is a right angle. In this second picture also the time is showing right angle. Now next is acute angle. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. Now what you see in the next picture? Yes, a pizza slice. And can you see the arrow marks on this? Yes, this is show an example of an acute angle. And same with the second picture. The time is showing acute angle. Now the third type of angle is obtuse angle. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. I repeat, an angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Now, these are the examples of obtuse angles. In this first picture of hand fan, you can see showing obtuse angle by two arrows marks. And same with the second picture of hockey stick. There is also two arrow marks showing obtuse angle. Now you already understood the angles. So name the angles from the following picture. In the first picture you can see the aeroplane. Aeroplane and their wings are making which angle? Yes, obtuse angle. In the next picture of slice of a cake. So, which angle does it makes? Yes, this slice of cake is make acute angle. In the next slide, first picture of a roof of a house. Can you see the arrow marks? This arrow mark shows which angle? Right angle. Very good. The next picture is windmill. Can you see again the arrow marks? Yes. Which angle is formed here? Obtuse angle. Now, this is the slice of a watermelon. Again you can see here the yellow arrow marks. In this picture, which angle is showing? Acute angle. In the second picture, you can see the blackboard and also two red arrow marks. Which angle it is? Yes, right angle. So students, I hope you all are understood the angles. So here is the homework for you. So homework is collect the picture of showing various types of angles, mark that angle with the arrow marks and name that angle. This homework you have to do in maths notebook. So students, in the next video, I will teach you the next topic, that is circle. Thank you.